Oh, he snapped me off. Oh. There we go. Right as soon as I drop down. Oh, fishing in the snowstorm. Welcome to the next episode of We Fishing, guys. Let's pull this transducer out here. Right as soon as I dropped the slab wrap down, he took it right off the bottom right away. Let's hope I land him here. Oh, he's a good size. Right there with a slab wrap. Beautiful fish. Everything's just completely frozen. Tiger pattern. Sorry, that was the fire tiger. This guy is exactly at 53.5. Perfect. What is this? There we go. All right, fish on number 2. Feels like another, oh, a little bit of a run there. Lure here. Yeah, it's definitely a pike. Let's try to funnel him through here. That way I don't lose my lure. He kind of inhaled it a little bit. There we go. All right. Be a nice, quick and easy release here. Oh, open your mouth, buddy. There we go. Oh. Nice and healthy pike. Nothing too big. We'll give him a nice easy release here. Oh. Something on me here. There we go, fish on, fish on. So I was reeling up my lure to about the 10 feet mark. I saw something up top. Oh, it's definitely running now. Saw something up top, so I decided to reel up my lure, see if I can bring it in. And he decided to come in and hammer it. And it is running hard. It's gotta be a pike. I hope he doesn't break me off. Currently using 6-pound mono at the moment. Oh, it's a pike. Oh, I'm not letting you break me off here, buddy. Look at that. He just absolutely inhaled this thing right there. Looks like it'll be easy to take out. So what I'll do is I'll pull it out, give him a quick release right now. Be easier if he actually opened his mouth. That adrenaline rush. Alright guys, I just had to move over only because my wife just moved from her spot, so I'm just gonna use her spot and use a Jeep as a windbreaker here. Hopefully I'll catch something in her spot. Here we go. Come on. See if you come up and take it. It's moving up here. Just a slight bit of hesitation here. He's just circling around. Coming up. As soon, there we go. Fish on right there. Oh. Let's see what we got here. Very light bite. Oh, we got ourselves a nice walleye. Just thrashing around right at the bottom of the hole. Still got blood on me from when I put my hand inside the pike's mouth. Okay. Perfect hook set. Oh, this one's got some odd things growing on him right there. Not sure what that is. Really nice walleye there. So this guy, he's got some odd growth here happening. Not sure what that is. Regardless, seems like a really nice, healthy walleye. Let's, oh, look at that. Look at that hook set. Just perfectly right on the lip right there. I wonder what that is. Oh, it's bleeding out of there. Got some kind of growth. Let's get him back in the water here. He's got some weird growth going on. And hopefully, maybe he'll get better for the next person. All right, let's get back down there and see if we can catch another one. Oh. Got another one. Oh, I just lost him. That's all right. Catch him next time. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Oh. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Prepare to land this fish. Hopefully we don't lose him again. This guy came in hot. Didn't even see him on the flasher. He just came in, saw the big mark, and immediately just smashed it. That's another pike. Don't want him to snap me off. Had another one bite my line off clean earlier. Oh, he brought himself out. There we go. Okay, okay. I'm gonna let you go. Don't worry. There we go. Alright, so just another little hammer handle. Let's let him go here. Oh. As soon as you catch a pike, make sure to double check your line, make sure there's no frays. That way it doesn't break you, or next time you catch a fish you don't break off on another little dink. Something's coming down. Oh, and this is why you go to Calling Lake. Fish are insanely aggressive. Right there I was at about 18 feet, and something from about, I would say 11 feet came down, started swimming down pretty quick. It's definitely a pike again. Nice and heavy guy. Every time I catch a pike, I'm just so nervous. So scared of breaking off. Especially when I'm mainly targeting walleyes. I'm not using any like heavy equipment, heavy line. Every time he hits the bottom of that hole, he takes a run. And he feels just amazing. This is exactly why I like to use longer rods. One big head shake on a small rod and your rod just straightens right out. And it's a really good size pike here. Let's see if I can work his head through the hole. My line is right on his tooth. Oh, and hook just popped right out. There we go. Nice and easy release. Get him back in the water. There we go. Hey, that's that. The end of the day for me. It's about 2:30 and I am hungry. Forgot to bring some food. However, I did have a really good day. Caught quite a few pike and some walleye as well. Main target was walleye. However, the pike did give me a good fight, so I'd like to call it a successful day. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. I'll see you next time. See you later.